7-76, it says, given the magnitude and direction, express each vector in component form. So I have a magnitude of 5 and a direction of pi over 6, so I would probably just draw it. Pi over 6 is, well, to me it's 30 degrees, because I think in degrees still. And this is, I always think of them as triangles. So that's just like my version of a pi over 6 angle measure. And then I'll just go like this, and it's pi over 6 right there. And then I'll say I need component form, so I need like an x, comma, y. So I need x, comma, y. So this x right here is actually, I can use cosine for that, because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So, so what do I want to do here? Can't I just go 5 times cosine of pi over 6? Yeah. And then, so what do I want to do? Just put it in my calculator or what? Uh-huh. Well, wait, cosine of pi over 6, that's like a unit circle number. So does anyone know what cosine of pi over 6 is on the unit circle? Isn't this funny? This is a cosine, no, that's a sine calculator.
No, pi over 6, that's
30
pi
degrees.
over, yeah, 30 degrees. Which
I'm in
would be,
radians.
what would that be? So
Who has a
degrees.
unit circle on them right now?
Are you looking for radians?
No, I can't use my calculator because it's in radians, and I would rather just use a unit circle. I can use it, but I would have to stop the video and find. That'll work. Thank you. Okay, so I decided it'd be easier to use it. Like, it'd be easier if I would just memorize what cosine of pi over 6 is, but well, a lot of people do make you memorize them.
0.5?
Cosine of pi over, it's actually root 3 over 2. So I can just say that this is 5 times root 3. Yeah, it's 5 root 3 over 2. And then sine, so this one's just going to be 5 times sine of pi over 6. So sine of pi over 6 is going to be a half. So 5 times a half would be 5 halves. And then, well, that's gross. So 2.5, this is the same, 5 halves, that's the same as 2.5 over 3, right? And then that's the same as, okay, get the idea, though? I'm going to keep borrowing this for a minute. And then, so I would just do the rest of them in the same way. I would just look at this one and go, well, now I have 5 pi over 4, so that's 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 has got to be down here, and I think that kind of correlates with the 45-degree triangle, or like this part, the reference angle is 45. And so, so what do I want to do? And this is 10 right here. So then I think I can just get the ordered pairs as the cosine would be 10 times cosine. See, this would be all students take calculus. It's going to be whatever this is. It's going to be a negative number for cosine, because see how it's over here. 10 cosine 5 pi over 4 or 45 degrees. Well, I guess I got this. This thing's pretty nice. Who made this? Oh, it was me. So cosine of 5 pi over 4 is root 2 over 2.
It's it ends up being using 30. Oh, sorry, 45 degree triangle. This one.
Yeah, they're 40. It's a 45. It's a
C, right?
45 degree. We're on letter B.
Oh, B.
So this will be, I think, negative root 2. Is that how they got it? Oh no, I messed up. Oh, because that's 5. Sorry, I didn't finish canceling. Right? It's 5 root 2.
I end up with 10 root 2 over 2 for both for both X and Y.
This will be negative, and that's negative also, right? Like a negative sign value. And that's letter B. And then letter C, we've got the same thing. Oh, we have the same, so I'm gonna use my picture that I had before. Same thing, this is just a 1. So this would be, oh, where's my picture?
Be 45.
Yeah, it's just, negative root 2 over 2 and negative root 2 over 2. I was ruining my video.